Hi, I'm Karen Atkins, singer-songwriter and health educator. Today we're going to do a nice gentle movement called regulating breath. This opening movement gets your mind into a meditative, clear state. As with anything that lets you focus on your breath, it supports the lungs as well. The breathing, along with the flow of this movement, is helpful for releasing any anxious, nervous, or stressed out feelings. Releasing these stressful feelings is super helpful for calming the heart as well. So breathe deep and try this with me. So this is a nice, simple movement. We're going to start with the feet parallel, shoulder width apart, hands facing down, knees slightly bent. Then as you inhale, you're going to raise the arms up, and then you're going to press the palms towards the sky. And at the end of the inhale, your tailbone is going to start to lower, and you exhale, bringing the hands down to either side as you bend your knees. And then coming up, raising the hands, turning them towards the sky, and exhale, bringing yourself down. Inhale, coming up, regulating the breath, harmonizing the body. This really simple movement. And this one can be done about 4 times. And in the end of the 4th one, you can close. How'd you like this video? I'd love to hear how you did. If you liked it, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I would be so grateful if you shared it with your friends. Thank you, and see you soon.